Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Arco Shorts. So today we're going to talk about the latest FOMC meeting that just ended about 20 minutes ago and the decision of the Fed to further hike rates by 25 basis points and what it means for the cryptocurrency market. So of course, many questions about Silicon Valley Bank collapse and Credit Suisse being taken over by UBS in Europe. But how does this all relate to rate hikes and why are they important? So the Fed has been hiking interest rates to bring inflation lower down to about 2%. And somehow in the recent days, the market seemed to have priced in an expectation of the Fed to pivot and stop raising interest rates and possibly start quantitative easing, which is the action of essentially lowering down interest rates. Now, the Fed has come out today very strong with a very hawkish view, and Jeremy Powell said they will do whatever it takes to go back down to 2%, even if it means further hiking interest rates. So this is, of course, a bit of a bearish view for financial markets, but at the same time, the Fed has a very strong view of our banking system, and Jeremy Powell reiterated multiple times during the meeting that the existing banking system is very strong and solid in his opinion. So if we take a look at what happened to Bitcoin during the meeting, let me zoom in a little bit more for you. So this is very good. These meetings are usually very good if you're interested in short-term trading. So what happened during the meeting is Bitcoin retraced back down about 5%. So it's a very interesting move. Now, this is because Bitcoin has been clearly on a very strong uptrending move for the last 7 days. It's needs a retest or needs to find a new level, a new support level. We haven't seen much volume at the current levels, so a retrace further down was expected. And I think by purely looking at technical analysis, and of course, I'm not giving any financial advice, you should do your own research and your own analysis. But if we take a look and zoom out a little bit at where Bitcoin is today, we've seen this massive jump all the way from 20,000 to 30,000 without much volume being traded after the 25,000 mark. So we do expect a retrace toward the 25,000 level, which is also where we have found previous resistance. If you look at the altcoins market, the altcoin market actually hasn't moved that much, and given the current outlook given by the Fed, we're not actually expecting that much money inflow in cryptocurrency either. If you look at financial markets as well, the S&P 500 has been bouncing in and out of this uptrending channel all the way since the beginning of October last year, and we're just at this threshold right now, retesting the previous downtrend. So in conclusion, very interesting meeting. Expected move from the Fed to keep raising interest rates, of course, as we try to bring down inflation. And we would probably expect a possible bounce on the downside for Bitcoin as it tries to find a new support level around the $25,000. Thank you for listening. If you found this interesting, don't forget to subscribe, join our channels, and feel free to ask any questions. We'll try to do many more shorts in the coming days. Thank you, guys.